Okay. Here she is again.
Can I just take it in a cup?
Just eat it. What cheaters? Why you gotta get a cup?
I told you could get a cup, but you wanted to take it like a G and take it to the head.
You should have took it like a G. You ain't a G?
You saw me do it twice. Take it like
Hey, don't be trying to mix it up neither. You drink the whole yolk and everything. See, now you gotta look at it. That's why I just
spit it out twice, okay?
Yeah, you really did.
You
Yeah.
see it?
Drink it. Just drink it. Don't spit it out. Just drink it.
Can I take sips?
No, you gulp it. Just gulp and swallow. You're not gonna drink it all if you take sips.
I'm really not.
Just gulp it.
I don't know if you can do this.
Girl, the white part will go down first. Hurry up. Come on. Dude, this video's gonna be long. Hurry up.
I thought you took another one.
I did, but it's 1 minute already. Girl, just tilt your head back and take it to the head. Just like a shot.
Watch me spit it back out.
Don't spit it out. I swear if you spit it out.
What are you gonna do?
We going box. Hurry up. Just do it. Go. Go. And then put your hand over your mouth so you can't spit it out. Pour it. Pour it hard. Quick. Swallow it. Swallow it. Swallow it.
I feel like I want to come back up. It was like all Scotty.
Ew. Okay, good job.
Nothing, good job with that.